So here we are going past Toowoomba Christian College. There are no signs or requests even suggesting that there is a reason to merge over, yet here we are with traffic backed up just over 2 kilometres away from where roadworks have been going for a couple of months now. As you can see, cars are merging into the right-hand lane in anticipation of the upcoming lane closure. But obviously this was unnecessary this far back. Now if no one had done this yet and waited until the actual lane closure, the congestion would be half as long as this. I don't suspect traffic would usually get through the single lane funnel much quicker, but people would at least feel a bit more like they're going to get to work on time. Thankfully there aren't really any intersections along this stretch, but imagine if there was. This merging early would have caused terrible congestion to everyone trying to get to work or maybe home from work, or even more importantly, people trying to get to hospital to see family. It now seems that we've come to the point where it might actually be necessary to merge over, but I still haven't seen any signs yet, so I'm staying here and intend to zip a merge up ahead when the lane does actually close. Obviously this video has been sped up to save you some viewing time, but if you have a look at the clock, it did start at 8:13 and it's now at about 8:20, so it's taken me a few minutes already. Imagine how long it's currently going to take those who are at the back of the right-hand lane where this began. Oh no, it does seem that this was still in anticipation of a closed lane ahead and everyone's moved over and it's still clear. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, there was no actual lane closure. Maybe there was yesterday, but today there's just a long queue of traffic getting through these lights at half the possible rate. Don't merge early and cause congestion. Wait until the actual closure and then zip a merge.